This is Renault Clio. Today I'm going to show you how to change brake light. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Apply the brake. Right, you can see as it is, right hand side brake light working and the middle brake light working, passenger side brake light not working. I'm going to show you how to change this brake light bulb. I have to open the boot. After that we need to remove, it's holding with 3 D20 Torx, 1, 2, 3 here. I'm going to remove these 2 and remove the bulb and show you how to replace the bulb. Right, after that you need to pull the whole light because it's holding backside connector here. These 2 connectors hold here. You need to pull the whole complete set very gently. Then after that, when you turn other side, it's holding with the clips here, there, another one here, another one there. You have to open little bit. Right, now bottom open, and after that you can lift up whole unit. Right, now it's out. This is the water protect sealing or water protect beading. Make sure install nice and well. This is the bulb worn. I'm going to remove this bulb and replace the new bulb. This car has a 1380, and if you go 1566, both similar way bulb, both has a 2-way connectors, but when you take out the, I'll show you. If I go for a 1566 one, you can see that this connector slightly different. If you go for a 1380, this is the correct bulb for this car. I'm going to install this bulb. Right, I already installed the bulb. Now I'm going to ask my colleague to press the brake pedal and have a look, is it working. Press the brake pedal. Yeah, you can see as it is, it's working now. I'm going to reinstall everything. Now first thing, we need to line up this connector first. Then after that, press in, it will lock itself. Right, all locked now. Then I have to do the repeat procedure. Right, now I have to install the whole light. First need to line up these 2, like here, like this, and press in. Right, you can see as it is nicely lined up. Then after that I need to install these 3 screws. This is the way we need to replace the bulb. Thanks for watching. This is the way you have to follow the change in bulbs. Renault Clio. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get my new videos. Thank you. See you with another video.